I'm Alex Knight, Marketing Director for Fitfactory. I've been with the company about 5 years now, and my role is really to link the customers with our senior leadership team and our products. And that's both ways, so from getting feedback from customers and ensuring that the customer and market needs are reflected in what we do as a business and the products that we create, but then also ensuring that we communicate what we're doing with the products and our company effectively back to our customers. So overseeing all of the communications channels and how we put out messages into the market. And it's really exciting to see how that's developed over the last year in particular, with new people joining and coming in, and yeah, it's going really well. So the thing that I love about working at Fitfactory is undoubtedly the team. It's great to see how everybody really wants to pull together and do the best for our customers, and just constantly challenging themselves and always looking at ways that we can do things better. So in the last few months we introduced a culture of aim for perfect, which looks at how we can deliver the best, the perfect implementation, the perfect marketing, develop the perfect product. And that really helps focus everybody to aim for perfect. And maybe sometimes you don't hit perfect, but you'll do a really good job of hitting excellent. And that's what we really want to do, is aim for perfect here. So we launched Fitfactory last July, and it was a really brave step for us because we were bringing together Tricorn, which has 25 years experience, a really credible brand, and over 300 customers in the UK, with Value Chain, which is also a really well recognised brand, and has this fantastic suite of innovative products. And it's something that since Value Chain acquired Tricorn in 2016, it's something we've always thought that there's great synergy between these companies. And we always had a feeling that we could almost do a 1 + 1 = 3, where the whole is greater than the sum of the parts. But it was always challenging to find the right time, and we weren't quite sure how to do it. And obviously there was the pandemic, which hit last March, and that kind of gave, certainly from a marketing and brand perspective, us the opportunity to take a step back. There was no more, we couldn't do physical trade shows in the same way, we couldn't really do customer sites in the same way, and our customers were really struggling at the same time as well. And so we had a look at the market and saw what's out there and available to help SMEs, and we found that there was a lot of solution providers. Over the last 5-10 years there's been a huge outburst in new technology, new solution providers, and then there's kind of consultancy firms that are helping to explain how to digitalize and how companies can adopt digital technology, but it's only really geared towards the OEMs or the larger companies. There's a frightening lack of information for SMEs. That's beginning to get a bit better now, but what we wanted to do was really focus on not being a technology provider, but focus on the end goals and how we can help our customers achieve the benefits of digitalization. And when we thought about that, it's all about, you can be more efficient, leaner, more productive, and just generally fitter with your business. And really that led to it being Fitfactory. And yeah, so we've launched Fitfactory for over a year now, and it's going really well. It took a lot of adjusting to internally and from our customers and the market, but we're really happy with the direction that it's going in now, and we're really starting to see that we really took the right approach with this. As mentioned previously, when the pandemic hit last year, it put a halt to most of our regular marketing activities. And it wasn't just for us, it was for everyone in the industry. Trade shows were a big part of how manufacturers do business. Realistically, people don't want a business intelligence solution. They want to know how how to improve their business. They want to be more efficient, they want to be leaner, they want to reduce costs, grow your order book. And that's what we're really seeing by producing these white papers, videos, articles, blogs, etc. That we can bridge the gap between understanding what manufacturers and engineering companies need with what technology can deliver. There's a big gap at the moment between people saying like, what is IoT? But understanding IoT and AI and cloud computing and all these things is great, but unless you understand how to apply it in your business and what benefits that will bring, the tangible benefits that will deliver, then it's not of any use to you to understand how machine learning works. And that's really what we're trying to do with our marketing, and we're seeing a great response in the market to this content that we're putting out. So with Fitfactory, we offer such a wide range of products, and it's really fantastic, and that's probably what I love most about the company, is that we take such a customer-centric approach to understanding the goals of the companies we're working with, the businesses, understanding your goals, where you currently are in your digitalisation journey, and adapting a solution that's right for you. If I had to pick one that I love, I'd say it's our paperless tool. So it really helps to bridge the gap between disparate systems and fill gaps where there's a big problem in the market at the moment, where lots of companies, you focus on kind of digitalizing one part. So maybe that's like implementing an MRP system to streamline your production process, or maybe that's putting in a CRM system to streamline your sales process, or maybe it's an accounting package to make it really easy to manage your finances. But the thing that's often missing between these systems is once you've streamlined that process, it's much more efficient, but you get a lag between then where that process meets another process. And for me, that's where our paperless system is really effective. So when you're looking at like quality management, are you doing that in the same digitalized way? And if you are, is that really well connected to your MRP system? Because it's only really through the exchange of those two systems, for example, that you can get the most efficient process. Otherwise, you're having an efficient process, then having to rely on a spreadsheet or paper-based system to go between these two, and that creates a further bottleneck. So for me, the fact that our paperless system can really resolve that issue and connect the whole business together, that's really powerful for me, and it's absolutely loved by our customers as well.